Let's make some chicken Malai Tikka skewers in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. So I'm gonna take a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of cream, any full fat, low fat cream, whatever you have. Now, if you can handle the heat, just add some minced green chilies in it, and if not, then you can add minced capsicum, green pepper or capsicum, whatever you call it. Olive oil, coriander powder, garam masala, suri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, cumin powder, red chili flakes, black pepper, salt. Mix everything. That's your marinade. Now I've got about 2 chicken breasts here and they're really thinly sliced. I'm gonna pour the marinade over it. Mix everything. Now I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for at least an hour so the chicken can marinate really well. Here's the chicken after 1 hour of marination. So we are gonna make skewers. I'm gonna put this on the side. I have soaked the skewers for half an hour in water so this prevents them from burning. I'm gonna take some vegetables first. So I'm taking onion and peppers, whatever color you can find. Chicken is thinly sliced, so you have to kind of fold it into the skewer this way. And that's your chicken skewer. So I'm gonna make all the skewers the same way. I've made 3 skewers and these are fully loaded. There is more chicken for 2 more skewers, but I think 3 is enough for now. I'm gonna put the chicken skewers in the air fryer. Now these are gonna go in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's been 20 minutes and now I'm gonna flip the chicken skewers and air fry them for another 5 or 6 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Chicken Malai Tikka skewers are ready.